Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue east on I-10 in Texas, beginning at mile 625 in Guadalupe County. As we get further from San Antonio, exits appear less frequently and the speed limit is 75 miles per hour, except in construction zones. At this point, we're approximately 550 feet above sea level. Here we briefly enter the city limits of the city of Luling. Luling lies mostly to the north of I-10, but has two legs that extend down to I-10, and this is the first. The Luling post office opened in 1874 and the community grew rapidly. Within 10 years, Luling had 5 churches, several mills, a bank, a school, a weekly newspaper, and 1,800 residents. Its primary shipments were cotton, cottonseed oil, livestock, and pecans. By 1890, the community had an opera house, 2 hotels, and a population of 2,000. The number of residents fell to 1,349 by 1900, but increased again to 1,502 by the 1920s. The discovery of the Luling oil field by Edgar B. Davis in 1922 prompted rapid growth in the community and attracted various support industries associated with the oil business. By the early 1930s, Luling had 5,970 residents and 175 businesses. In spite of the dominance of oil, agriculture remained an important part of the local economy. By the 1950s, local farmers had diversified their crops to include watermelons and tomatoes. As of 2017, Luling has an estimated population of 5,903. Each year during the last full weekend in June, the Luling Watermelon Thump is held. It's a big celebration for the locals and draws many people from out of town as well. A favorite activity associated with the Thump is a watermelon seed spitting contest. Luling is also home to Night in Old Luling, held in October. It features games, food, booths, and a scarecrow contest. We're now in Caldwell County, by the way, which has an estimated population of 42,338. Here at exit 632, we exit the interstate to fill up the gas tank at a Buc-ee's. For anyone not familiar, Buc-ee's is what's called a convenience store, but is more like a travel center, having what seems like hundreds of gas pumps in a huge store that sells convenience items plus a large selection of gifts and curiosities, as well as fast food and sandwiches. You can spend a lot of time in one of these stores, and we only recommend stopping at one of these if you're not pressed for time. Buc-ee's started out in Texas and has recently expanded to other states, with stores opening in Daytona Beach, Florida, and Baldwin County, Alabama.
2 hours later.
We enter Gonzales County, which was founded in 1836 and has a population of 20,876 as of 2016. We passed through the county seat, which is the city of Gonzales, in our US 90 alternate series last year. The city of Gonzales is about 9 miles south of I-10. Exit 637 accesses the town of Harwood just to the north on US Highway 90. The town was named for Thomas More Harwood, who moved to Texas in 1850 and began a law practice in Gonzales in 1853. Harwood was home to 112 residents at the census of 2000. Exit 642 provides access to the city of Bastrop to the north and the city of Gonzales to the south. The two cities are connected by Texas State Highway 304. Exit 649 connects with State Highway 97, which goes to the small city of Welder just to the north. We conclude today's video here. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.